There are essentially three requirements to sell a natural health product in Canada. Number one is you need to obtain a natural product license, NPN. Licensing timelines take anywhere from 60 days to about 300 or 400 days, depending on the ingredient, the claims that you're making, and the classification that Health Canada deems for that health product. Number two, your label must be compliant with the natural health product regulations. That includes language compliance. There are two official languages in Canada, French and English. So they have to be in both languages. Number three, if the natural health product is manufactured outside of Canada, you need to partner with a Health Canada licensed importer of record. Somebody in Canada who holds this license. Our sister company does hold that license, but you do need to partner with someone. Often they can be independent third-party importers, or they can be distributors. Many distributors also hold this license.